Yo guys, so welcome back to the channel. So Nordstrom is up over 60% in just under 2 weeks. So I actually recommended my viewers buy the stock at $12 cost base, and now we're sitting at a $20 cost base, so that's a 60% increase. But yeah, before we get into that video, please like the video, subscribe down below, and also leave a comment in the comment section. But yeah, let's just get into this video. So Nordstrom, so it's up 6% in just under 2 weeks. But before we get into that, let's just look at the past 8 months of this stock. So Nordstrom was very badly beaten down during March, went down more than 68% due to COVID after a highs of $40 in Feb and lows of $13 in March. And when you compare this to other comparison stores or companies such as Macy's or Dillard's, which all had smaller declines and a much stronger recovery in the springtime, in June time as well. So Nordstrom only went up as high as $23 in June and shortly took another dip. Then in August, it did take another beating, which was mainly due to two news. So one of which being the Bank of America, which dropped their price objective from $16 to $14 and set an underperforming rating for this stock. And on that the same day, which is August the 26th, Morgan Stanley also dropped their price objective for Nordstrom from $21 to $19. So that was all in the same day. Then ever since, the stocks just started to dip up until into September and went as low as $11 and retained an $11 to $13 cost base for about 2 months. And this is when I started looking into this company properly, and after looking at the market cap, the P ratio, the earnings report, past earning reports, I saw that this company was actually undervalued at its current stock price, which was $12 at the time. And this is when I recommended that my viewers buy the stock at $12 cost base, and now it's sitting at $20. So that's a 60% return in less than 2 weeks. So what's my recommendation now? So right now I recommend that you book profit. $60, well, not 60% in under 2 weeks is a great return. 6% in a year, 2 years is even great. But imagine making 6% on your investments in just under 2 weeks. So yeah, my recommendation is to book profit. I will be taking profit myself. I'll be selling off 20% of my shares. So this is why. So earnings report is coming out next week, Tuesday the 24th. And in all honesty, I don't think the short term of this stock will keep seeing us upward rise. This is mainly because I don't believe they'll meet the earnings targets, just like a lot of retails and even the EV sectors, which have all missed in terms of earnings targets. And so we might see a sharp drop in this stock next week after the earnings come out, because if you follow the general trend of other stocks which just had the earnings come out, we normally say increase leading up to the earnings day. Days after, we see a sharp decrease. Then eventually the stocks pick up and go on a continuous uprise. But as of next week, I feel like this stock will take a sharp drop and maybe below $15, and that's when I'll be looking to buy back in. So right now I will be selling off 20% of my position in Nordstrom, and with a 6% gain, you can't ask for any better. But if this stock does go anywhere below $15, that for me is a very appealing buying price. I will be buying more shares back into the stock, and I will be holding for long throughout the pandemic, and also as the economy starts to recover and we can see the retail sector also recover. And one of the reasons why we've got this increase in the stock price is due to talks of the vaccine, which only means good news for the retail sector, because the sooner we can get a vaccine out, the sooner the retail sector can start to recover. And additional good news, which I mentioned in my last video, was the Tesla's advisory group, which raised Nordstrom from a market perform rating to an outperform rating with a price target of 17, which obviously now we're over that $17 price target. And on that same day, November the 9th, it did go up by 30%. So that was our first little increase in Nordstrom. But yeah, like I said, I'll still be selling off 20% of my position. 6% increase is a very good return on your investment, and anywhere below $15 I will be buying back in. But yeah, this is just a short video just to give you my short-term outlook on this stock, what you should do. And anyone who's planning to hold this stock long, that's a very good idea. I'm still gonna hold it long. I'm still gonna buy more because I feel like this stock is still has space to dip, especially next week with the earnings coming out. And after that, I'm probably just gonna hold long until COVID is over, retail sector starts to recover. I still see the stock getting up to that $40 cost base. It's not going to be anytime soon, but it's definitely worth the wait because you see a huge return on your investment. So this for me is a very safe company, like a safety net, especially at the price it's at, anywhere below $15. For me, I feel like it's undervalued, which makes for a very appealing buy-in to make money short term and long term. But yeah, as always guys, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next video. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy stock because I said to buy the stock. Make sure to do your own research and your own due diligence before investing your money into any stock. Thank you.